Hi everybody, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic SE. This Evoque features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is finished today in the absolutely spectacular Firenze red. As we begin our journey from the front of this Evoque, we see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, and as we cascade down the side of this Evoque we see it sits on these 20-inch wonderful alloys. As we venture to the rear, you'll see the rear privacy glass as well as the rear LED tail lights, ensuring contents and passengers safe from prying eyes. Opening the rear powered tailgate, you will see a versatile boot space, perfect for a week's worth of shopping or luggage for a week away. To the rear, you will see your ebony grained leather seats along with your ebony interior, perfect for any length of journey. Venturing to the cockpit, we'll show you your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we take a closer look at your magnificent multifunctional steering wheel, which as you can see features a heated wheel. In front of you you'll find your part digital display, which can be tailored to the driver's individual preference, and it stores key information about the vehicle, such as your trip computer and your sat-nav. Taking a closer look at your 10-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive and features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your surround camera system, which is seamlessly merged into your entertainment screen. You will also be able to access now looking down your climate control system, which again can be tailored to the driver and passenger's own personal preference. You will also be able to further access heated seat functions as well as further vehicle diagnostics and driver settings. To finalise our journey, we look up to see easy access controls for our fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross occupants and vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our sales team today.